How to make a custom registration form on WordPress, quick and easy. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own customized registration form for WordPress. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. To do this, firstly, you're going to go into your WordPress dashboard. And once you're in your WordPress dashboard, you're going to go into plugins on the left. Once you click on plugins, click on add a new plugin. And once you do that, you're simply just going to search for forms over here. Now, there are multiple different form creation or registration tools that you can use. You can see that you have Forminator and WP Forms, which are some of my top picks to create your own forms. And if you're looking for things such as membership forms, then I would recommend using Ultimate Member, which is another plugin that you can use to create membership forms. But I just want to make a custom registration form for people that might want to register to a newsletter. So for that purpose, I am going to be using WP Forms. And I'm just going to go into Add Plugin, go into WP Forms, and then click on Install. Once you click on install over here, you're going to wait a couple of seconds and then you can click on activate. Now, once you have clicked on activate, WP Forms will be installed into your WordPress dashboard. Now, once this has been installed, you can proceed with the first step of creating your own registration form. Simply click on the left over here, and once you do that, you will see a drop-down will appear under WP Forms. This includes creating new forms, your entries that you have received from your form, as well as payments, form templates, settings, tools, and add-ons. So simply go into settings at the first step. And once you go into the first step, which is your settings step, you're going to go into email. And once you go into email, you will see some of your basic sending preferences. So how you want everything to be structured, the basic template you want to use, as well as the appearance you want to opt for. You can also customize the header image as well as the background colors. And then if you want to include things such as payments, geolocation, and other features, you can access them all in the settings. Now we're going to start building our first registration form. For that, we're going to click on Add New under WP Forms on our WordPress dashboard. Once you do that, you will see a bunch of different templates that you can get started with, but we want to build a custom one, so I'm just going to add registration form as the title on top. Then I'm going to click on Create Blank Form to get started with a customized blank form. Now I can start adding my own fields of my own choice. So let's say firstly, I can go into some of our fancy field, our payment field. So let's say I want names, then I want email. And you guys can see within the form field that you enter, you can click on that and then I can customize this as well. So if I only want a simple name field, a first, middle, last, or a first and last name, let's say I want a simple name field and I'm going to name it name. Or instead, if I want to write your name instead, we can do that as well. Then you also have advanced settings, which include the size of the field, as well as the placeholder text that is placed. So let's say it's Jane Doe, like this. Then after that, we also have smart logic, which we can apply, which is conditional. And this is only a feature reserved for premium users of WP Forms. Now, moving on, I've added an email field, and this is also required. And we're also going to enable email confirmation. Now, if you want, you can skip this, but I think I'm also going to skip this as well. Now, after that, I might want to include something like a single item or a checkbox, whatever type of question I might want to ask in my registration form. So let's say I want to add a single line text field, and I'm just going to create one of these. Once I do that, I'm going to select this field and I'm going to rename this. And I'm going to rename this into what suggestions do you have? Question mark. And then people can, provide an answer. This can be made a required question or a optional question. I'm going to keep this as an optional question. Once I've done that, I will click on Save on the top right, and this is my registration form. Now I can go into the settings on the left, and from here I can provide general settings such as the form name, the description, the submission text, and instead of it saying submit, I want it to say register. And then after that, we also have advanced settings. Then we also have spam protection and security. Then I don't like to alter any of these. I like to leave them as they are. Then we also have our form themes, notifications, as well as confirmation. Now, after that, we also have our marketing section on the left. We can click on the marketing section to link to Constant Contact or Uncanny Automator to make it easier for us to take the emails that we collect using this particular registration form and start mailing out thank you emails or start building our contact list. So you can link your email marketing tools over here as well. Then after that, you have payments if you're looking to connect payments. Once you've completed that, click on Save on the top right, and then you're going to click on Embed. Now, once you click on Embed, you have a few different options. You can select an existing page to embed your WordPress form into. You can create a separate form page, so an entire page that is designated for registration, or you can embed your form manually as well as use a shortcode. So I like to just click on use a shortcode and then you can copy the shortcode. I find this to be the easiest method because it allows you a lot of control onto where you want to place your particular code or your particular WordPress registration form. So simply copy the shortcode and exit from the WP form builder. Then you're going to open up your site and just click on visit site. You don't have to use Elementor for this. You can use the regular WordPress website editor. Click on edit site on the top left, and this will open up the theme editor. So just click on the site preview over here. And once you click on your site preview, just click on the plus icon on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to search for shortcode in the search bar over here. Once you do that, you can drag and drop this shortcode anywhere you want. So I want to place this right at the top over here, right under my header. And once you place this shortcode block over here, just paste in the shortcode that you copied from WP Forms. Once you are done, click on Save, and then just click on Save. And once you click on View Site, your WordPress form will now be embedded into your registration form, will now be embedded into your WordPress site. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will catch you guys in the next video.